Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey if you don't already know me. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick refresh of my laundry room. I'm gonna redo it for under $50 just to kind of clean it up because it has been taken over by sports gear and baby diapers and I can't handle it anymore. So I went ahead and did that. This is the before of my laundry room, a complete mess. I actually got stuck between this 3-section organizer and this 4-section organizer for like 5 minutes, but I went with the 3 one instead because it's deeper. Okay, so I went to Home Goods and I found nothing because it was a waste of time. Then I went to At Home because it's further away from me and I got a basket there, and then I went to Hobby Lobby to pick up the rest of my stuff because I knew Hobby Lobby would have everything I wanted. But at home, I got this basket, which they had like one made for laundry rooms, but it was like double the price. So I got this just standard little woven basket. It does have 3 compartments, which I needed to separate some stuff, and it cost me 10 bucks. And then I went to Hobby Lobby and I got this sign that says, "This home has endless love and laundry." And if you have any boys, then you know how much laundry there is. There is a lot and it never goes away. I also got this little ceramic vase, which was, how much was it? It was 11 bucks, but I got it 40% off with a coupon. So it ended up being like $6.50 or something like that. And then I got these little plastic Greenery, which were like $3 a piece, to go inside that. So we'll see how that looks. My mother-in-law also ended up getting me this utility cart. It's just like a 3-tier utility cart from Lowe's. So I'm gonna use that in between my washer and dryer after I clean out the laundry room. We have been in this home for over a year, and I have not even come close to furnishing all of it. So I'm going to slowly try to do all of that over the next few months or so. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, we'll see how much I can tackle before the baby starts freaking out on me. Let's go.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Right, every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Jackson. Yeah. Come here. some money?
Yeah.
There you go.
I'll get some money.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world.
This is not a one-person setup.
Top of the world, yeah, top of the world. When I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-bum. Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this up. You can sing my song if you want, I know you want it. It's always kinda funny, yeah, cause you I know I'm a superstar on the block. Yeah, top of the world. I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits. Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. Though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast. Cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time. Cause I might go too fast.
Alright guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button so you can see more videos. I'm gonna try to put out at least 2 a week so you can see what's gonna come next. Leave any comments or questions you have below and let me know what you think of my laundry room.